Yes, the next topic from your outline is a very simplest topic and it is mandatory thing in every walk of life. Whenever you want to go anywhere or someone asks you that please introduce yourself, so it is an important thing. So how we can introduce ourselves? There are many things in it. The first thing is that your name. Don't say myself. It's wrong. You just say my name is, and the next thing is your residency, your hometown, where are you living? So you have to tell about your city and the main thing of your city. Like, yes, I'm living in Multan, and it is also called the city of saints, and it is famous for its juicy mangoes and sona halwa. And there are many other things in my city. So, third point is about your education. Whenever you're telling your education, so you should tell about your last degree or last two degree or at least last degree. For example, yes, I have done you have done your FSC, and you should tell about your college or institute where have you done this degree. Yes, I have done this degree, and then your college name, and I got second, first, or third position or something else. Do you want to tell? And then you can say about your like as I'm doing BS and your degree program name in BZU, and I have done my first semester, and now I'm in my second semester. The fourth thing in introduction is about your hobbies. You can say the fourth thing you can like mention why have you selected this degree at this program. You can say that it's my own interest or it's my father, really depends on you. And then the next thing is about your hobbies. You can tell your hobbies. The question like uh, how do you spend your free time? You can tell about your hobbies. Yes, I'm the good player of cricket or like this. So you can tell about your hobbies. And the next thing, your weakness and your strength. So you can tell about your weakness and strength as well. And you can say yes, novel reading is my habit. So in habits you can mention books reading. So you can mention. And the next is about your experiences. So if you have any experience, so you can tell. So the last thing is about your aim of life or your ambitions. If you want to tell, so you can. So it is the basic steps of an interview or to describe yourself, because whenever you're delivering your presentation in front of students or in front of anyone, so the first thing is that introduce yourself. And some students are facing problem to introduce themselves, but I don't know why this happened to that student, because they are asking a teacher or you are telling about your introduction, not someone else's introduction, because the teacher cannot ask you, yes, please introduce myself. No, thing is that you should introduce yourself. So like I'm giving you an example how can you can introduce yourself. Yes, my name is Abdullah Shafiq, and I have done my MPhil in English and linguistics, which is the field of English literature and linguistics. And before it, I have done my master in English literature from BCU. And in MPhil, I just thought that I should do at the other degrees as well. So I have done two other masters as well. So I have three masters and an MPhil in English. And the next thing I'm telling about my hometown. So I'm living in Multan, and it is famous for juicy mangoes and sona halwa, and you can say it's hot weather as well. So it is also called the City of Saints, and you can say it's a modern city because it has an international airport and many buildings are there and many historical places are there and there are many things in my city. If you wanna come, so please you must come in winter, not in summer, because this weather is very hot, too hot. So the next thing is about my hobbies. So it's my hobbies. So you can tell your hobbies and then experiences. After my master's, I have been started teaching in university levels. So I have more than 4 years experience in in many other universities. So I'm working as a lecturer in other universities like NCBS, VNBZU. There are many universities. So it is about your introduction. Like you can add more things as well. I have mentioned it. So it is in your outline topic as well. So I hope you can get the idea about how to introduce yourself. So if you have any question related to this, so you can ask, okay? Please prepare your introduction because it is mandatory thing in every walk of life. Try to introduce yourself in English, okay? Because English is an international language. So you should try to introduce yourself, okay? Wish you good luck. Please prepare your introduction.